Kua whakahonoretia a wī te tau pirika taiapa ki te tohu āpiha o Aotearoa, moana mahi toi uku. I takia mai rā i te ngahuru tau 80 moho anoa nei. I kōrero ia kia pohatu roa waenga mo te hunga i whakaaweawe i aia me ona wawata mō ngā rā kei mua i aia.
Kaore au i te tau taipa i whakapono ka whiwhi i aia i tēnei honore nui no te kuini. Moana mahi manga iwi huhua i ngā tau kua hori.
Well, I would never ever expect it to be honoured like this. My parents, were quite humble people, and, Koro Mete, Kingi from Wanganui, and all those old people that have gone, all humble people.
He nui ngā whea ko ona i ngā tau i whakawhānui ake i te tirohanga ki tōna anō ao.
I was inspired by a lot of our old people. And the other thing was that, when we were kids and we would go to these old people's places, going across the front lawn, we weren't allowed to do that. That was their marae.
E hoki whakamuri ana a taipa ki te wā tuatahi i pāona ringaringa ki te uku.
I was brought up Puketapu Grove. There used to be a big mound of clay in there, and all of us kids played on it. So that might have been my first playing with clay.
E whai nei ngā tama taipa i ona tapuai me tōna para i te ara o toi.
I've got 2 boys. They're doing really well. They're both international artists.
I whaiwāhia taipa ki te kāinga mō ngā tama i Kohitere, kia whāngai hia ngā kai, no te kete tuatea.
The boys in the prisons, they told me to go to Kohitere, go down and teach them what you taught us. Then when they come to prison, and they will come to prison, they'll know something and they'll have something to do.
He honore nui kua uta ki ngā pokohiwi o tēnei ringa toi. Pohaturua Waenga, Te Karere.